Stepping into the healthcare field, 13 seniors from 4 Beaufort County School District high schools are being honored at a special graduation ceremony for completing Beaufort Memorial Hospital's PATH program. Over the past several months, these students have gained real-world experience and earned healthcare credentials, jump-starting their careers in the medical field.
I'm very excited and I'm proud of myself because I worked really hard this semester and I've learned a lot and I'm getting rewarded for it, so it feels really good.
It means a lot to me. It gives me an opportunity to, whenever I go to college, be able to find a job and work in the medical field.
Since January, the students have spent 2 mornings a week on the Beaufort Memorial campus, training to become certified patient care technicians or clinical medical assistants.
Work hard and hard work pays off. Do their best and they'll be successful for sure.
Some of the students plan to enter the workforce right away, and 5 of the seniors will be working for Beaufort Memorial.
The certification I received is the PCT, Patient Care Tech certification, and so what's next after graduation, I'm going to be working immediately after at Beaufort Memorial on the 3rd floor as a patient care tech.
The other students will be continuing their education in nursing programs or medical schools.
I am planning to attend Anderson University this fall to study nursing or kinesiology. I really love the anatomy and physiology part of this entire class, so being able to kind of just take that with me is just a really huge blessing.
I'm going to college. I'm going to Claflin University and I'm studying biology and minor chemistry, and after college I plan on being a travel nurse.
I'm going to college of Charleston, majoring in biology because I eventually want to become a doctor.
This is the first year the district has partnered with Beaufort Memorial Hospital and offered the PATH program. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.